everyone, welcome to Lisa and Trisha Singapore Foodie TV. I'm going to take you to the west, Bukit Panjang, Chestnut Nature Park. Follow me to the end of the video when you will be amazed by the number of animals and plants which you are able to see in Singapore. Thank you for my friend Mei Ling, Tay and Pauline for bringing me to the Chestnut Nature Park in Bukit Panjang. Chestnut Nature Park is located on the eastern end of Chestnut Avenue, skirting the Central Catchment Nature Reserve. The nature park serves as a green buffer for the reserve. There are two areas to Chestnut Nature Park: Chestnut Nature Park South and Chestnut Nature Park North. Chestnut Nature Park North is about 64 hectares and was opened on 25 February 2017. Together with the southern portion opened on April 2016, Chestnut Nature Park now totals 81 hectares, making it Singapore's largest nature park today. Our first stop at the park is at the tower, where it is the highest view in the park and you can see great view in Singapore. The red tower is where Bukit Timah is. The Chestnut Nature Park is a multi-purpose space for biking and hiking. Hikers has to keep to the left because sometimes riders cycle at quite a high speed. The route is pretty muddy and with spoon. You have to work carefully as this area is not like Bukit Timah or MacRitchie where the routes are more smooth. We have reached the famous photo stop for hikers known as Fallen Tree. However, you cannot find any signboard indicating the fallen tree name. There is a branch near the fallen tree where you can use as a walking stick to walk across the fallen tree to take a picture of your brave act. If you like my video, please press the subscribe button for my videos updates.